안녕하세요, 에리스 키친 친구분들. Today we are turning sauerkraut into kimchi-style dumplings that are tangy, spicy, and full of flavor. So let's get started. Cook the glass noodles called 당면 in boiling water until soft for about 8 minutes. Then rinse under cold water and drain. Chop them into small pieces, and today I'm going to use my Ninja vegetable chopper again. So nice. Squeeze the sauerkraut until dry like this. And then wrap the tofu in paper towels and press firmly to remove excess water. This helps prevent the filling from becoming too watery and ensure the dumplings hold their shape. Add the main ingredients to the mixing bowl: the sauerkraut, ground beef, tofu, and the glass noodles. Then add each of the seasoning ingredients to the bowl. Mix everything really well so all the flavors come together perfectly in the filling. Wet the edges of a dumpling wrapper with a little water. Then add a spoonful of filling. Here, I'm folding the first batch, and these are for pan frying. Follow along as I show you step by step. Next, we will fold another batch for soup, and these dumplings are made to hold it together nicely in the broth. Arrange the dumplings in the steamer, making sure they don't touch each other. Place the steamer over a pot of boiling water, cover with the lid, and steam it for about 12 minutes until fully cooked. These dumplings are already spicy, salty, and tangy, so no dipping sauce is needed. If you liked this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. My Korean accent Etsy shop is still selling beautifully gift-wrapped Korean vegetable seed, perfect as Christmas present. If you're shopping for Christmas gift, please stop by my shop and take a look. Thank you for watching. See you soon again. Bye.